Why don't you tell everyone what you're doing?
I will let you read it for a minute. Right here. Everything in here.
This is what Mom's baking. No-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies.
Yeah, that's right. Everything's in there but the peanut butter and the oats.
Which is right over there.
Yeah. This has got to get to boil and then boil for 5 minutes.
Yeah, it says on the recipe.
Yeah. That's not to boil yet.
Okay.
Putting this kind of oats in it, quick oats in it.
Yeah. Has at least 1 cup of oats.
You got to put 3 cups.
Oh, you gotta put 3 cups of oats in there and then
Half a cup of peanut butter.
half a cup of peanut butter right here.
Right after we take it off the stove.
Okay.
Probably ought to turn it off until this starts boiling.
Okay.
But
Go ahead.
let's see, rapid boiling is. So, gotta set the timer for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Stir it constantly.
Alright. Yeah, you can
So
see it.
that, yeah. Might watch it for about 2 minutes and then turn it off and start it back up.
Okay.
There's no testing of it. These are easy.
Mm.
They don't always turn out. Just 7 seconds.
Why don't you say what you said about it being, you said being a hit or miss use.
If you cook it too long, it gets crumbly. If you don't cook it enough, it gets gooey.
So, yeah, like you said,
We will see.
it's a hit or miss, right?
Now it's off for this stove and we're putting peanut butter in.
Yep.
Peanut butter and oats in it.
Yep, there's the oats. Now you gotta blend all those together.
Yeah. And you can use quick oats or old-fashioned oats.
Yeah.
Gotta work fast because hard enough.
Yeah. So that was 3 cups of oats you added.
It was close.
Close to it, I should say. You're not dumping it by the spoonful?
No, I'm just going to dump it in and make one big one.
Wow.
And just cut it up.
Yeah.
And just smash it down. And see what happens if they get the right consistency or not.
I forgot to ask, how long are you going to put this in the oven?
No, it just sits right here.
Oh, it just sits right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So it gets cold.
All right.